Looking good, looking good. This is the other side, as y'all can see. So I gotta get one more can of gray and another can of black so I can go back over my black spots. I'm gonna do my rails black. I'm gonna tape off that part and hit this a little bit better, as y'all can see. But compared to, and I gotta get some more black to kind of get that from where the gray got it. When I get this front end, this is gonna look like a whole new grill, man. Yeah, what y'all think? Let me know. DIY, you dig?